Hey y'all. So in this video, this is for my say print and cutters or people who um you in your design. And the reason why I say print and cutters because say for instance you got your SVG off of Creative Fabrica and you brought it into design, Affinity Designer, and you decided that you wanted to put say a pattern, something like this, which is a pixel, but hold that. You wanted to put this inside of the crown. You wanted to put it inside of the queens, right? So I duplicated the image. So this right here is the duplicated image. And the same thing I did like in the last video, I would double click on it and it would take me into the bedded portion of that, which is the um this is the SVG and how it is grouped for the person that actually designed the program. I mean designed the but using the elements, they designed the SVG. So this particular case is grouped, whereas in the last video, you saw that I had to individually take the pieces and actually group it together. So right now I have highlighted the crown, and we'll see if we can do the queen as well. Hold click, hold for Mac, you hold command, probably control for Windows, and then click the other one. And what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can get that image in the, how would we bring that image into the crown and the queen. So with this tool right here, this is your fill tool, and remember we're still in the designer persona. When you see fill in the context bar, you see fill, and right now its type is none because it's going by the color. We're going to change that to bitmap. Currently I'm going to use this, which I have the background is for birthday queen heart files. I'm going to use this color. It's going to open it and it's going to put it inside of the SVG's parts that I wanted it to be. Now this is going to be a pretty quick video because this is all I wanted to really do with this particular design. Um, this is that image, what it looks like. But when you go back to the original, your document that you're actually working on, you can see that now the crown as well as the queen has a pattern inside of it. If you wanted to put more patterns or different patterns or break it up, you could individually break up, you know, all the parts as you are in the embedded part. And you can do the same thing. You would click the fill tool, and when it comes up and you have this element selected, you would see um, the type. You would choose bitmap, and this is, and mind you, this is for if you want to put a pattern inside of your element that's inside of the SVG, the product or project that you're working on. And I'll do it one more time. So if I close this and then I turn this one on, well, actually it's a duplicate of each other, so it shows that because it's linked, the both of them, it's a duplicate of the other. Um, they both link to the same thing. So if I click the group for the crown as well as the group for the queen, and I wanted to change it back, I would to say a color. If I didn't want the pattern, I would click the fill tool. I would see the type and I would change that. In this particular case, let's go with a radio, or let's go, yeah, we'll go to radio. And we're gonna pick the color to be red. It's solid, elliptical. So I changed the color to red, then I clicked the elliptical for a type, and it changed it where it gave it more depth inside of the queen. But if I wanted to go back into this being the pattern, then I would click bitmap, and then I would go to the image, and then that takes the place of what I clicked on. And then when you go back to your original image, you should see that it's changed. I probably should have did a side-by-side comparison between the two. I apologize for that, but I hope you get the gist of what I'm trying to say for this particular video. And if you have any questions, let me know. Just put it down below. Later, y'all.